Okay, so it's raining and thunderstorms the first day that I'm here. I mean, I love Chennai Rain, so I'm not complaining. Hello, I'm on my way for breakfast to meet a friend over breakfast, South Indian breakfast. I'm going to Sangeeta, which is one of like the most famous veg South Indian food places. So yeah, I mean I've had an earlier start than yesterday, so that's good. I want to be able to do things earlier as well, but everything is so late here in India compared to like Melbourne. But yeah, it's 9:30 a.m. and I'm gonna eat some breakfast. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Yo, so I got back to my hotel room an hour ago and I was just like sitting and just chilling. So I did go out, had breakfast with a friend of mine. She got me a bracelet. How cute. So she got me a bracelet with evil eyes and I said, I do need evil eyes. I'm having a lozenge for my throat. Yeah, so we had a chat for a couple of hours and then had some, what do you call it? Tender coconut. So had some tender coconut and I got back to the hotel. I'm meeting another friend, but I just wanted to sit down and like reply to messages. I had to call a couple of people. I did that. And now I'm getting ready because she's gonna come and pick me up. We're gonna go to the beach, and I haven't been to the beach in so many years in Chennai. So gonna go to the beach and then I need to go and buy some like skirts and stuff like that. So I'll be going to do that. So I'm just getting ready. I'm like, getting the autos here, your hair just flies everywhere. So I'm just gonna curl my hair and then just get rid of the oil on my face. And then I'll be ready. And I'll just wait for her, my editor reel. Let's see. But yeah, I've really got to like make a plan. Because today, like I've got things to do, but I don't know when to do what. So yeah, that's me and my day. I'm just using a Kmart curler. How hot is this? Is this turned off? I did curl my hair. Okay, I might recurl that. I don't know, I think it turned off. So yeah, that's me. Hello, I just got back to the hotel room. It's like 1 a.m. But I went out. I think the last you may have seen is the beach. So went to the beach, had some things to eat. I was catching up with a friend after so long, so we had a lot to talk about. I looked like a hot mess. Let's just get that out of the way. I look like a hot mess. But then after that, I went to like a store called Saravana stores. I went there and I got some like bangles and skirts and stuff, which I'll show you in a second, because I'm going to be putting them in the suitcase. But what I'm going to do is I'm quickly going to change, take my makeup off, because I look like a hot mess. I've got a shoot tomorrow, so I've got to prep for that. But yeah, so really need to be sleeping. But yeah, let's change first and then do the other things. Also, how good is it coming to like a room where your bed is done for you? It's so good. I'm loving it. Anyway, I was trying on I took my makeup off and I was trying on the clothes that I brought. I think I'm going to do like a haul video, but there's two outfits that's not fitting me, so I will have to get that exchanged. But I've got these ones here. This is a sneak peek, but I found some good pieces of Indian clothing, and yeah, I think I'm gonna do a what I bought in India, I guess, haul. So stay tuned for that. I might do that separately. Maybe here, maybe after I get to Melbourne. I don't know. Because I would love to do like a try-on haul or something like that. But we'll see. If I have time here, I'll definitely do it. Like on the last day or something when I'm packing, we could do that. That's something, yeah, we could do. So I'm going to put these things in the suitcase and I'm going to keep those to get it exchanged to a one size up. The sizing in India is very different to Australia. So yeah, and there's my suitcase there. Hello, so I'm getting ready for the shoot. I'm kind of running late. I'm going to do my own makeup, obviously, and I've got someone coming to do hair at the studio. But I'm so hungry. It's like, oh my God, there's so many things going on. I need to like do my makeup, but also eat. And I don't want to eat late because then my tummy will look big. But I ordered from Swiggy. It's called Matsya. I've been there before and I've had it. But I didn't want to eat anything heavy. But there was like a chili cheese toast, which I got. So I ordered that. And I got a sweet lime juice. So sweet lime is not a citrus fruit that we do get in Australia. So I do miss that. So in the last 2 days that I've been here, I've had one each day. And I've ordered another one. So sweet lime is like orange, but different. Here's me eating gluten again. Hey guys, I couldn't actually make videos today because I was just really busy with the shoot. So after I got ready, I ran to the studio. I couldn't film anything. It was 4 looks, so I kept changing clothes and I didn't have time. So that was done. And then I was chatting with the photographer friend for a while. Stay tuned on my Instagram for photos, by the way. And then I came back to the hotel room. I ordered food. I ordered from Ambur Star Biryani. I ordered mutton biryani. Yummy. I had that. I took off my lens and lashes, blotted my face, and unpacked all the things, packed all the stuff that I have to take back to London from the shoot. So yeah, just packed things away, and now I'm waiting for a friend that I haven't seen for so long, so I'm gonna go meet him. And my mum wants these like pants, so I'm gonna see if I can try to find those at the shops. But yeah, that's my update, and this is my look. This is my makeup from this morning. I'm also getting so many like compliments on my hair color, but this hair color I did a year ago in India, like over a year ago when I came to Chennai last with my mum, and it's sort of faded, it's gone down, but yeah, I always get compliments with that. I'm planning on getting my hair colored at the same place. Probably the day I'm flying out, so on Wednesday. Let's see. But yeah, I really got to leave the room because they are going to come and clean it. It's not clean yet because I was inside. I told them to clean it after I leave the room. Hello, and I look dead. This like constant socializing is so not for me. I just came into my hotel room, which by the way I am loving, because once again I walked in and it was just like smell of like fresh linen and like cleaning products. I just love it. It's clean. It's my bed's made and the whole room is clean and tidy. But I am so exhausted. So exhausted. Constant socializing. I don't know. I really don't know. Look at my face. I did this makeup 9 a.m. Yeah, it's 8 p.m. now. And this is what it looks like. I don't think I can go out tonight, like for dinner. I think I'm just gonna order in and just eat and sleep. I'm really, really tired because I've had like late nights last couple of nights. So I bought some leggings from Lifestyle from that brand Go Colors. They're like metallic leggings. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start like packing those things in my suitcase, and then I'm gonna start writing a list of things to do. It is Sunday night, so I've got Monday, Tuesday, and till Wednesday like evening. So I'm gonna write lists of what else needs to be done in the next 3 days, so that it's all sort of ready to go. So yeah, it's kind of good that I'm here early today. Oh, one sec. So here's what I'm packing. I mean, these are the things I bought yesterday, like the ones in the bottom. that's my dress or my like cord set that I had for shoot. So I'm just taking it back. So I packed that. But what I wanted to show you was the leggings that I bought. Again, I will add this in a haul. But yeah, I bought 3 metallic leggings and like a palazzo pant. I couldn't find white, so I might have to look for it tomorrow. But yeah, there it is.